Welcome to Loadmaster. Today we'll learn how to define that goods of different orders cannot be mixed. Now let's have a case study. Here is the cargo data and the loading requirements. The cargo cannot be placed as the length is vertical to the ground. When palletizing, only A and B can be mixed on the same pallet. The others cannot be mixed. Calculate how to pallet the goods and what kind of pallet is suitable. The height of the pallet is limited to 1.2 meters, including the height of the pallet itself, and 5 centimeters is allowed to extend in the length and width direction. According to the current loading requirements, the test type loading flat pallet multiple cargoes should be selected. Now we enter the basic information. The item in this page is optional. The users can fill in PO number, order number, etc. for later check. Now we come to next stage, add cargo. First click add cargo and get the Excel template. You can see that the template is downloaded here. When finishing, open it. First we should click enable editing and save this template to a certain position in your computer for later check. Here is a template description. You should read it carefully before filling the template, and then you can delete or remove it. First, we should copy the name, quantity, length, width, and height of the cargo into the template. Pay attention to the matching of the size unit. The weight here refers to the gross weight of a single carton or box of goods. If the cargo is too light, the weight can be ignored and not filled in, and the system will default to the value of weight to 1. Then we should define the load orientations of the goods. For it is required that cargo cannot be placed at the length is vertical to the ground. That is, lay and lay rotate are not allowed. We should fill in 0 under the allow column of these two orientations. 0 means not allow such orientation. Leave it blank. Fill in 1 means allow this orientation. Then we should define the loading parameters. For it is required that only A and B can be mixed on a pallet, and the others cannot be mixed. It is necessary to set the same group name for cargo AB that can be mixed, and set different group for cargoes that cannot be mixed. The group name can be numbers, Chinese characters, and letters. In this case, letters are used to define. For there are no other requirements, we do not need to set other parameters, leaving them at the default value. Save and close the template when finishing. The details for other parameters can be found in the guidance documentation. Now we're back to the cargo interface and import from Excel. We found the filled-in template and double-click it. Now all the cargo information is imported to this task. Then we come to next stage, add container. Click import from database and then select the frequently used pallet in the pop-up box. And then edit the attributes of the pallet. Set the maximum load height to 120 centimeters and the extent length size and weight size to 5 centimeters. Then we should set the loading rules. In this case, we should uncheck allow different groups of cargoes to be mixed on one container. Finally, click Optimize above to calculate. In the list on the left, we can see that these cargoes are loaded over by 2 pallets of 1100 multiply 1100 and 2 pallets of 1200 multiply 1000. Through the 3-dimensional diagram of the cargo statistics on the right side of the diagram, we can see that only cargo AB are mixed and no other are mixed, which fully meets the loading requirements. After the scheme audit is completed, you can click Share Task to get the on-site loading by mobile platforms and click Generate Loading Report to download the tables you need to make the packing list and custom declaration. More details, please refer to the guidance documentation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.